नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं वाचं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् जितं ते पुण्डरीकाक्ष नमस्ते विश्वभावन नमस्तेस्तु हृषीकेश महापुरुषपूर्वज सदक्षरं ब्रह्म य ईश्वरः पुमान् गुणोर्मि सृष्टिस्थितिकालसल्लयः प्रधानबुद्ध्यादिजगत्प्रपञ्चसूः सनोऽस्तु विष्णुर्मतिभूतिमुक्तिदः अन्नं बलाय मे भूमेः अपाम् अग्नि अनिलस्य च भवत्येतत् परिणतं मम अस्ति अव्याहतं सुखं प्राणापानसमानानाम् उदानव्यानयोस्तथा अन्नं पुष्टिकरं चास्तु ममापि अव्याहतं सुखम् अगस्तिः अग्निः वडवानलश्च भुक्तं मयान्नं जरयतु अशेषं सुखञ्च मे तत्परिणामसम्भवं यच्छन्तु अरोगं मम चास्तु देहे विष्णुः समस्तेन्द्रियदेहदेही वृथा न भूतो भगवान् यथैकः सत्येन तेनात्तम् अशेषम् अन्नम् आरोग्यतां मे परिणाममेतु. So in this 11th chapter he has been talking about the grihasthashrama, how a person has to be in the different ashrama, jata karmadi kriya. That was said in the 10th chapter. In the beginning of this, he started with the Sadacharam. This is going to continue in the 12th chapter also, the behavior of a Grihastha, how he should be and all that. So he finished with how he has to eat. And then after eating, he has to sit down in a quiet place, calm, without thinking much, and he has to think that Vishnu is present in all of the indriyas and he is the jiva within the body that is there. And yatha saha ekaha eva bhutva atra bhuktam annam sarvam sayeva jarayatu arogyatam cha dadatu iti. So whatever food that I have eaten should transform into health for me. Arogyatam me parinamam etu. Now saying this, he has to sit in a corner, and further there is one more shloka for that, and then he is going to tell us how to behave. So Vishnurhu atta tathaiva annam parinamascha vai tatha satyena tena madbhuktam jiryatu annam idam tatha. So the Sarvatma Bhava comes even at the point where you are eating. The idilala, I think in some place you say Brahmarpanam, Brahmahavihi, Brahmagno, Brahmanahutam, Brahmaiva tena gantavyam, Brahmakarma samadhina iti Gitayam shlokaha vartate. You usually, before you start eating food, you say that and do it, because this is like an ahuti to the Brahma Swarupam that is there within us. This is very similar, but because this is Vishnu Puranam and Vishnu eva sarvesham paro devata iti karanat, paradevata iti karanat, tatra Vishnuho eva prashamsa kriyate, tasmat Vishnuhu atta. One who eats is Vishnu. Tathaiva annam cha Vishnuhu. Vishnu is the food that we eat also. Parinamascha vai tatha. He is the transformation of this food that we eat also. Transformation in the form of arogata, that health is also Vishnu here. Tena satyena tena Vishnuna madbhuktam annam idam jiryatu. So he is the Satyavastu in my body. So let him digest the food that I have eaten. Iti ucharya swahastena parimrijya tatha udaram. Anayasa pradayini kuryat karmani atandritaha. Iti ucharya, saying the above shlokas, the 4 or 5 shlokas, not necessary that it has to be in Sanskritam. All you need to do is think that thought, that attitude should be there, that whatever I have eaten should settle down well in my body and give me the health that I need, because Vishnu pervades even the body inside me, and he has to provide. He is the transformation, he is the food, and he is the antaryami within me. So let him digest this food. Iti ucharya, saying thus, swahastena, with our own hand. Udaram parimrijya. Parimrijya is wiping. So which means you are in the tadavi kudukardu. Vayatha vandu appadi in the Agasthyar பண்ணார் இல்லையா, ஜீர்ணோ பவ வாதாப்பின்னுட்டோ அந்த மாதிரி இல்வலா. ஸோ அது கை அப்படியே வச்சு யூ ஹாவ் டு ரொட்டேட் எங்கே இருந்து அது வருதுன்னு இப்போ தான் புரியுறது எனக்கு. ஏன்னா when we say stories for children, we usually say Agastya ate and then he sat down and immediately வயத்தை தடவி அவர் வந்து ஜீர்ணோ பவன் சொன்னார். This is the story that I've heard and I've also told my children also about this. But I never knew that this is something that is there in the Puranas, that you have to do that as a process. So hastena parimrijya udaram. You caress your stomach yourself, and then anayasa pradayini karmani atandritaha kuryat. Atandritaha, without any laziness, anayasa pradayini karmani kuryat. He should perform any action that does not give him fatigue. Ayasam yat na dadati anayasa pradayini karmani kuryat. He has to do such work. That is, no strenuous activity has to be done immediately after eating food. Yeah. Satchastradi vinodena sanmargat avirodhina dinam nayet tatas sandhyam upatishtet samahitaha. Satchastra sanmargat avirodhina satchastra vinodena tataha dinam nayet. Tataha, after eating and after doing a little bit of work that is not too much of strain, he should sit, he should read Shastram, or he should entertain himself with the good Shastras. Sat Shastradi Vinodena, which is Avirodhi, which is not in contradiction to good path. So the studies that you read or the Shastram that you study should not be in contradiction, or it should not be incompatible with the actions that you perform with sanmarga. So sanmarga nerinu ராமலிங்க அடிகளாரோட பாதைக்கு சன்மார்க்க நெறின்னு பேர். குட் பாத், குட் காண்டக்ட். ஹவு டு யூ பிஹேவ் இன் திஸ் சொசைட்டி? एवं शास्त्र सच्शास्त्र विनोदेन you pass the day, dinam nayet, you pass the day with the amusements or entertainment involving satshastra, good learning, that is avirodhi, that is not incompatible, that is in accordance with, that is not in contradiction to the good path. Tataha, after dinam nayet, you can either take tataha here and here, or just take tataha afterwards or in the beginning. It doesn't matter. Tataha samahitassan sandhyam upatishtet. Sandhyopasana kuryat, sandhyopasanam kuryat. Tataha, after that, at the end of the day, he has to do samahitaha sanna. With a concentrated mind, he with an engaged mind, he has to meditate upon the sandhya kala. So which is sayam sandhya. Dinanta sandhyam suryena purvam vrikshair yutam budhaha upatishtet yathanyayam samyak achamya parthiva. He parthiva, sorry. He parthiva, Aurva is saying this to Sagara. So he parthiva, dinanta sandhyam purvam sandhyam rikshaihi yutam dinanta sandhyam buddha samyak achamya. After having done achamanam, that is, he washes his hands and all that, and then after doing washing his hands, or after doing achamanam, yathanyayam, according to the rules, buddha, a wise man, upatishtet, he has to do puja, or he has to meditate upon the surya, meditate upon the sandhya kalam, which is at the end of the day, dinanta sandhya. Suryena purvam, suryena rikshaihi cha yutam purvam sandhya. Apdi varano. Okay. Sandhya, which is at the close of the day, that is before the, along with the sun, the chandra, the nakshatras are also present along with the sun at the same time, and that is the time when you have to do. That is, the sun should not have completely set. It has to, the sun should also be present at the same time. Rikshaihi yutam, nakshatras should also be present. Purvam sandhyam, you have to, actually paschimam sandhyam, adu eppadi purva sandhyam varudhu therilla.
இந்த ஸ்ரீதர
பூர்வம்
சுவாமி
ரிக்ஷா.
நோட்ஸ்ல வந்து பிராத்த சந்தியாம் சனக்ஷத்ராம் உபாசீத யதா விதி அப்படி போட்டு
மார்னிங் சந்தியாவும் சாயங்காலம் ரெண்டையும் சொல்லு.
ரெண்டுத்தையும் பூர்வாம் சந்தியாம் தினாந்த சந்தியாம் ச செப்பரேட்டா.
ஆக்சுவலா தமிழ்ல சொல்லுவா காணாமல் கோணாமல் கண்டு குடு அப்படின்பா. மார்னிங் சன் யூ ஷுட் நாட் see, ஆஃப்டர்நூன் சன் ஷுட் பி ரைட் ஆன் டாப், கோணாமல் இருக்கணும். அண்ட் ஈவினிங் சன் ஷுட் பி ஜஸ்ட் seen, கண்டு குடு.
ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே, நல்லா இருக்கு. ஸோ இட்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் தினாந்த சந்தியாம் பூர்வாம் சந்தியாம் ச சூரியேண ரிக்ஷைஹ யுதாம் புதः குர்யாத். ஸோ பூர்வாம் சந்தியாம் ரிக்ஷைஹ யுதாம் குர்யாத், தினாந்த சந்தியாம் சூரியேண யுதாம் குர்யாத். தட் மேக்ஸ் மோர் சென்ஸ் இல்லையா?
மார்னிங் டைம் நட்சத்திரம் இருக்கும்போது
பண்ணணும்,
சாயங்காலம் நட்சத்திரம் வரதுக்கு முன்னாடி தெரியறதுக்கு முன்னாடி பண்ணணும். அப்படி அப்படி சொல்லுப்பா.
ஸோ தினாந்த சந்தியாம்க்கு வந்து யூ டேக் இட் அஸ் பஸ்சிமாம் சந்தியாம் இதி அப்படின்னு போட்டிருக்கார். ஓகே. ஸோ சர்வகால தினாந்த சந்தியாம் சூரியேண யுதாம் உபதிஷ்டேத், பூர்வாம் சந்தியாம் ரிக்ஷைஹ யுதாம் உபதிஷ்டேத் புதः யதா நியாயம், ஆஸ் அக்கார்டிங் டு த ரூல்ஸ். சர்வகாலம் உபஸ்தானம் சந்தியோஹோ பார்த்திவ இஷ்யதே, அந்யத்ர சூதக ஆசௌச்ச விப்ரம ஆதுர பீதிதः. அதர் தென் when you have a child, sutaka, that is a putra janma has happened, which is a kind of an ashaucham, and then ashaucha, you take this as ashaucha, which is mriti kala தீட்டு வந்துடுறது இல்லையா, தட் அசௌச்சம். விப்ரம, when you are not in your right senses, unmadaha, when you are crazy. Atura, when someone is sick. Bhititaha, or if you are afraid of, if there is a physical fear that is there, like இந்த காலத்துலலாம் எப்போ வேணாலும் someone will come and bomb பண்ணுவா அப்படின்னு இருக்கு. வார் டைம்ஸில் there is a natural fear of something is going to happen, right? Anyatra, apart from these situations, every other time one has to do sandhyopasana. So sarvakalam sandhyayoho upasthanam ishyate. It is desired that a person has to perform sandhyopasana at all times. Sarvakalam, other than the time when putra janma, சூதகனா பிறப்புன்னு எடுத்துக்கிறோம். ஸோ புத்திர ஜன்மா, அசௌச்ச மிருதிகாலம், someone has died in the house, தாயாதா etc. விப்ரம, even then right at that time is what is said. The other days you have to do, even in the evening you have to do there. You don't take vibhuti, you just இந்த தண்ணியால பண்ணிட்டு பண்றதுன்னு இருக்கு இல்ல. Even then விப்ரம ஆதுர பீதி. Of course அசௌச்ச here you take it as someone very close to you, and it is a death that has happened right then. Appo at that point of time is when, even if that kalam is gone, then it's okay, you don't need to, but you will do a prayashchittam the next day. adukku thane pandrom. sarvakalam upasthanam sandhyayoho parthiva ishyate, anyatra sutakaashaucha vibhramatura bhititah, suryena abhyutitah yah tyaktaha suryena va swapanna, अन्यत्र आतुरभावात्तु प्रायश्चित्ती भवेत् नरः. आतुरभावात् अन्यत्र, other than when he is sick, other than sickness, a naraha, yaha, a person who wakes up along with the sun. இதை சொன்னேன் காணாமல்னு இருக்கணும்னு. அப்போது if you are waking up with the sun, which means you are seeing the sun, and then suryena tyaktaha swapan, if he sleeps at the time when the sun is gone, that is astamana samaye yaha swapiti अथवा अभ्युत यः उदेति, सूर्येण सह एव उदेति, अथवा उदयात् परं यः जागरणं करोति, तर्हि तस्य सः प्रायश्चित्ती भवति. सः नरः, he becomes a person who has to do प्रायश्चित्तं the next day, or whenever is possible. सूर्येण अभ्युदितः यश्च त्यक्तः सूर्येण वा स्वपन्, if he is sleeping, then प्रायश्चित्ती भवेन् नरः.
பிராயஷ்சித்தினா பாத்தகி பவதின்னு போட்டிருக்கு. ஸ்ரீதர்ல
பாத்தகி மாத்திரம் இல்லை, அதாவது பிராயஷ்சித்தம்ங்கிறது he becomes a person who is a regretful person or who has to perform பிராயஷ்சித்தம். That is the literal
Atonement.
meaning.
அட்டோன்மெண்ட்.
ஆமா, that's the literal meaning. பாத்தகிங்கிறது வந்து is just a லக்ஷணையா he has taken the intended meaning there. சரியா? ஓகே. தஸ்மாத் அனுதிதே சூர்யே சமுத்தாய மஹீபதே உபதிஷ்டேத் நரஹ சந்தியாம் அஸ்வபன்ஸ்ச தினாந்தஜாம். So tasmat he mahipate sagara, tasmat because of that reason anudite surya, when the sun has not even risen, samuthaya, one has to get up, and sandhyam upatishtet, he has to do the sandhyopasana. At the same time aswapanna, without sleeping, he has to do the dinantajam sandhyam api upatishtet. Before going to sleep he has to perform சாயங்கால சந்தியோபாசனா ஆல்சோ. ஓகே, இட் டஸ் நாட், அதான் சாயந்தர வேளையில் படுத்துக்காதம்பா, அதுதான். உபதிஷ்டந்தி வைசந்தியாம் ஏ ந பூர்வாம் ந பশ্চিமாம் விரஜந்தி தே துராத்மானஹ தமிஸ்ரம் நரகம் நிருப. ஹே நிருப, those who do not perform sandhyopasana either in the purva sandhya, either looking at the east, or sayam sandhya looking at the west, or paschimam, te duratmanaha, those bad people go to a narakam called tamisram. Tamisram is tamisram, andha tamisram. These are all the 5 very harsh narakam. நம்ம இதுல வரும் பாகவதத்துல.
இது தாமிஸ்ரம் தான், இது ஸ்பெல்லிங் மிஸ்டேக் ஆகுது.
ஸ்பெல்லிங் மிஸ்டேக்
தாமிஸ்ரம் தான் இது. தாமிஸ்ரம் தான் இது
இருக்கா? ஓகே, இதுவும் தாமிஸ்ரம்னா.
ஆமா, இந்த புக்லயும் தாமிஸ்ரம் தான்.
ஓகே, அப்போ நான் டைப்போ தான் போட்டிருக்கேன். ஓகே, சரி. தென் தாமிஸ்ரம், தாமிஸ்ரம் அந்த தாமிஸ்ரம்னுட்டு 2 இருக்கு இதில், பாகவதத்தில் சொல்லுவார். ஸோ இதுலேயே சொன்னார்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஸோ தாமிஸ்ரம் நாம நரக்கம். தாமிஸ்ரம்னாலே தட் விச் ஹேஸ் டார்க்னஸ். ஸோ சூரியனை பார்க்கலங்கிறச்சே சூரியனே இல்லாத ஒரு இடத்துக்கு அமுச்சுடுறேனேங்கிறார். அதுதான் புனః பாகம் உபாதாய. இஃப் யூ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் டு see the sun, you will end up in a narakam where there is only darkness and no sun at all. So punah pakam upadaya, again in the evening you have to cook. So ellame 3 bo, you know, when you are first, when you have a child, the first time they say 3 hours outside, 3 hours in the 3 days in the fridge, and then 3 months in the freezer. இது வந்து ஒரு ரூல் அப்படின்னு இந்த ஊரில், in the US they give this as a rule, the 3-3-3 rule அப்படின்னு. That is, beyond 3 hours the food is not edible. You cannot keep it outside beyond 3 hours nu பேரு, in normal temperature. We are talking about normal room temperature here. So in the evening you have to cook again. punah pakam upadaya sayam api avanipate vaishwadeva nimittam vai patni amantram balim haret. Avanipate, king. Punaha sayam pakam upadaya, again in the evening you have to cook, and vaishwadeva nimittam balim patni amantram haret. A patni should give the vaishwadeva bali, that is food, without any mantra. So in the morning when you do it, it is mantra purvakam, which the grihastha does. Here in the evening it is the sahadharmachari or the patni who does the ritual of giving food for Vaishwadeva, which is done without any mantra. Tatrapi shvapajadibhyaha tathaiva anna visarjanam adhitincha agatam tatra swashaktya pujayet buddha. Even in the evening, tatrapi sandhyayamapi, you do the same thing for shvapachadibhyaha. Shvapacha is people who do not come within the 4 varnas, those who are varna bhahyaha. For them you give anna visarjanam kuryat. You distribute food for people who are not within the 4 varnas, who are outside of that varnashrama system. Agatam athitim cha tatra swashaktya pujayet buddha. Pada shaucha asana prahva swagata uktya cha pujanam tataha cha anna pradanena shayanena cha parthiva. He parthiva, agatam atithim swashaktya Budhaha etaihi pujayet. The next few lines gives you the method in which a person, a wise man, has to worship an Atithi here, who comes in the evening. So everything tatra sandhyayam, tasmin kale. Any Atithi who comes in the evening, he also should be worshipped in the same manner as the Atithi who came in the morning. Swashakti, according to one's own Shakti. Pada Shaucha, washing his feet. Asana Pradhanam, make him sit down. Prahva Swagata Uktya, with the words, welcoming words which show humility. Prahva bhavam pradarshya. Tadanantaram Swagata Uktya cha pujanam kritva. Annapradhanena, you give him food and you also give him a place to lie down, because he has come in the evening, he cannot travel to the next place at night. So, Vanda Abde, he will sleep for the night and leave in the morning. Diva atithautu vimukhe gate yat patakam nripa tadeva ashtagunam pumsaha suryodhe vimukhe gate. Suryodhe vimukhe gate. So, diva, during the daytime, athitau vimukhe gate sati yat patakam vartate. He nripa, the papam that you will incur, the sin that you will incur if an Atithi turns his face away and goes away in disappointment. Vimukhe gate. If during the day there is an Atithi who becomes very disappointed with the grihastha, with the householder, and he goes away, there is a certain amount of patakam that he will incur. He said that he will take away the punyam from the grihastha and give his own papam to the grihastha. Iti purva muktam asmineva adhyaye. So yat patakam saha, whatever papam that he incurs, tadeva ashtagunam bhavati. 8 times of that patakam, that papam he will incur if the same thing happens to an Atithi who becomes disappointed during evening time. Suryodhe vimukhe gate. Suryodhe. Astangachata suryena udhaha prapitaha iva. So Suryodha here refers to the Atithi. It does not refer to Surya Astamanam. Surya Astamana kale yaha atitihi agataha sayeva Suryodhaha iti. So Suryena udhaha. Vahadhatu. Suryaha tam vahayati ityartaha. Prapayati asmakam grihe. So Suryodhe vimukhe gate, when an evening guest becomes disappointed and leaves, because the more night it is, the more people will just close the doors, go to sleep, and the more difficult it is for them to get food, because during night you cannot go to the forest and get food as you wish. Whereas during the day it is possible for you to khanda mooladikam to tatra prapyate eva, outside, if the grihastha does not give. If there is a chance of getting some food outside from the trees. But here during night you don't know what you are plucking. So it is so dark. Petromax light எல்லாம் கிடையாது இல்லையா? So there is no light to tell you which one is good, which one is not good. So you can't dig up during night also. So there is no chance of getting food from outside. That is why the papam is 8-fold if an evening guest goes disappointed. Tadeva ashtagunam pumsaha suryodhe vimukhe gate. Tasmat swa shaktya rajendra suryodham athitim naraha pujayet pujite tasmin pujitaha sarva devataha. So, hey Rajendra, you somehow, according to whatever you can, you provide the facilities that you can to the Atithi who has been brought by the sun. As the sun is going, he brought the Atithi to our house. So, pujayet, you have to worship him. Tasmin pujite sati, if he is worshipped, sarve devataha api pujitaha bhavanti. Anna shakambu danena swashaktya pujayet puman shayana prastara mahi pradhanaihi athavapi tam. Or, next is you have to give him food, annam, shaka, vegetables, ambu, water, danena, pujayet. You give him these things for him to eat, and then also provide him for some arrangement, bedding arrangement. So Shayanam is a bed if possible. prastara, either you put down a mat or some grass etc. trinadi, kata trinadi, or mahi bhumau eva, you can clean the earth. And the திண்ணையில படுத்துக்கிறா இல்லையா, திண்ணையில வெறும் திண்ணையில கூட படுத்துப்பா. In the front of the house courtyard there is a space, people randomly come and stay there also. If it is an atithi who has come when you are awake, then yes. If you have been sleeping and you don't even realize that the atithi is here, then he just sleeps on the front yard that is there. There is a special sheltered place இல்லையா, அந்த திண்ணையில படுத்துருவார். அதனால you always have to keep that place neat. That's what the idea is. So shayana prastara mahi pradanaihi athava tam pujayet. You have to worship him in this manner by giving him a place to sleep. Kritapadadi shauchastu bhuktva sayam tato grihi gachet shayyam sputitam-api darumayim nripa. He nripa, tataha, after taking care of the atithi, he has to the grihi, the grahastha, during the evening he eats krita padadi shauchaha. He does pada shaucham, that is he washes his legs and sits down and eat. Shayyam asputitam-api darumayim shayyam gachet. He has to go and lie down on a shayya, on a bed which is asputitam, which is not broken, which is made up of unbroken wood. Asputitam darumayim shayyam gachet. Na vishalam navai bhugnam na asamam malinam nacha jantumayim shayyam adhitishtet anastritam. Na astritam or anastritam shayyam gachet. Actually aprashastham no reading irukku. Okay. Na avishalam, it should not be too broad. Na bhugnam, it should not be valanju irukakudadunu artham. That is, it should be straight and flat. Abhugnam, the shayya.
பக்னாம் தான் இருக்கு.
பக்னாம் இருக்கா? பக்னாம். ஓகே, புக்னா அப்படின்னு ஒரு ரீடிங் இருந்தது, அதனால அதை எடுத்துட்டேன். புக்னானா ஏன்னா முன்னாடியே அஸ்புட்டிதாமிதி உக்தம், ஸோ விச் மீன்ஸ் இட் இஸ் நாட் புரோக்கன். புக்னான்னா வளைஞ்சு இருக்கிறதுன்னு. இட் ஷுட் நாட் பி சம் ஃப்ளெக்சிபிள் திங்கி லைக் that it should go down அப்படி இருக்கக்கூடாது. Na asamam, it should not be asama, uneven. Malinam, not dirty. Na jantumayam, it should be free of bed bugs. No kitadi na tatra vartitavyamiti. Aditishtet na anastritam. Anastritam, astritam na vartate. That which doesn't have anything on top. Okay, there is no shayya on top of it. Then he should not sleep on it. Okay, he should not sleep on verum kattela paduthukodadunu artham. Something should be spread on top of the bed for you to lie down. So anastritam na aditishtet. So for this alone you take the na again here. Avishalam na aditishtet. Avishalam shayyam na aditishtet. Bhagnam shayyam na aditishtet. Asamam malinam va na aditishtet. Tatha nakarasya tatra yojanam. Prachyam dishi shirastaha shastam yamyayam athava nripa sadaiva swapataha pumsaha viparitam tu rogadam. So he has to either keep his head in the eastern side, east, towards the east. So prachyam dishi shiraha shastam. Shastam ityukte prashastam. It is advised, it is the best position is to place your head on the east, or you can place your head on the south. South பக்கம் north பக்கம் தலை வைக்க கூடாது அப்படிமோ. South பக்கமும் usually you don't place your head in the south. East is the best position. West is also okay. Usually east is when it is your own house. West is if it is another person's house. The north சரி கிடையாதும்பா. சவுத் எனக்கு தெரியல, யமனோட திக்கு, அதனால why sleep on that side பா.
இல்ல காலு சவுத்
காலு தான்
ஃபேசிங்கா
அந்த
இருக்கு.
பக்கம் இருக்கக்கூடாது,
காலு
கொர்ரா மாதிரி.
இருக்கக்கூடாது.
கால் சவுத் ஃபேசிங்கா
Southல.
இருக்கக்கூடாது. அதான். ஸோ விச் மீன்ஸ் நார்த் வந்து அந்த பக்கம் இருக்கு. அதாவது போகிற மாதிரி இருக்கக்கூடாதுன்னு.
நம்ம தலை அங்க இருந்தாக்க தப்பு இல்ல, காலு நார்த்துல இருக்கு. அப்புறம் அதனால தான் அந்த யானை கதைய கணபதி கூட சொல்லுவா, அப்படி படுத்துட்டு இருந்துதான் அந்த யானை.
ஆ.
அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஜந்துவோட தலையை கொண்டு வந்தான் சொல்றாராம்.
ஓ, ஓகே ஓகே.
ஸோ அந்த தலையை கொண்டு வந்து கணபதிக்கு வைக்கிறா அப்படின்னு ஒரு கதை உண்டு அப்படின்னு நான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன் என் குழந்தைக்கு எங்கேயோ படிச்சு.
ஈவன் டெட் பாடிஸ் மொத்தம் தான் அந்த மாதிரி வைப்பா.
ஆமா.
ஓகே.
அதனால
ஸோ யாம்யாம் திஷி யாம்யாங்கிறது சவுத், தக்ஷிணாம் திஷி தக்ஷிணஸ்யாம் திஷி வா சிரஹா சஸ்தம் இட் இஸ் அட்வைஸ் டு பிளேஸ் யுவர் ஹெட் ஆன் த சவுத் சைட். சதைவ ஸ்வபதஹ பும்சஹ விபரீதம் து ரோகதம். If anything else, if it is the other way around, then it gives, it is not healthy for the person. Now from this 114th to 124, around 11 shlokas, this talks about how, when a person should approach his wife for maithunam. So ऋतौ उपगमः शस्तः स्वपत्न्याम् अवनीपते पुन्नामर्क्षे शुभे काले ज्येष्ठा युग्मासु रात्रिषु. So swapatnyam upagamaha maithunam, all these refer to the union with the wife. Usually இதில் வர மாதிரி ரகுவம்சத்தில் வரும். யௌவனை பத்னி வந்து பிரஜாயை கிரகமேதினாம்னு வரும். So you take up a wife for the sake of a good progeny, so that the karma keeps continuing. You take up a wife to perform karma, and then you have a progeny so that avichinna rupena tatra karma samskaraha tatra prachalanti eva vartante iti karanat. There should be no break in the samskaras that are being performed uttarottarena. For that sake you have to take on a wife, not for experiencing pleasures here. So there are rules with respect to that also. So ritau upagamaha shastam. Ritu is ritu kalam, wherein it is the proper appropriate season is called ritu for a woman. So svapatnyam upagamaha shastaha, it is advised to approach a wife during that time. Punnama rikshe shubhe kale, during an auspicious time wherein there is a pun nakshatra, pullinga nakshatra. So among the nakshatras, so we know that all nakshatras or kada dane, we think that all 27 nakshatras are the wives of Chandra. Ana in Jyotisha Shastram there are the names of the nakshatras are actually pullinga, strilinga and napunsakalinga. So some nakshatras are strilingam, some nakshatras are pullinga, and some nakshatras are napunsakalinga. So certain actions, certain kriya, certain karma should be done in these nakshatras, certain should not be done in these nakshatras illa irukku. So anala you have to look at the character of the nakshatra before you undertake any action here. So the pullinga nakshatras that he has given, Sridhara Swami has given is Ashwini, Kritika, Rohini, Punarvasu, Ambini nu potrikar. It is the same as Ashwini. Kritika, Rohini, Punarvasu, Pushya, Hasta, Anuradha, Shravanam, Purva Bhadrapada, Uttara Bhadrapada. These are the Uttaratadi, Purvatadi. Jyeshtha Yugmasu. Here Jyeshtha Yugmasu abdina, the even days from the time of her the even nights adha solrar inga during the
கேட்ட நட்சத்திரம் இருக்காதா?
கேட்ட ஜேஷ்டா நட்சத்திரம் இல்ல, யுக்மம்ங்கிறது வேற. யுக்மசு
ஓகே.
ஜேஷ்ட கேட்ட நட்சத்திரத்தோட இருக்கக்கூடிய ராத்திரியா கூட இருக்கலாம். ஆமா, ஜேஷ்ட யுக்மாசுனால யுக்மா இஸ் ஆக்சுவலி தி ஈவன் நம்பர்னு சொல்லுவா இல்லையா?
அதுல இந்த யுகலம்னு வருது இல்லையா?
ஆமா.
ஓகே.
ஒரே நிமிஷம். ஜேஷ்டா நான் ஏதோ ஒன்று விட்டேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இல்லை கரெக்டு தான். 113. ஓகே. ஜேஷ்டா யுக்மாசு ராத்ரிஷு. ஸோ here pullinga nakshatra yugma और उनमें पीछे की रात्रि शुभ है ओके அப்படிங்கிற ஜேஷ்டங்கர்ச்சு as you go further the later the nights the better it is. That is, if you start off with the first nakshatra, then as the nakshatras become later and later, then the shubha kalam is it is more auspicious than the earlier days. Aduthan solrar. Then nadyunam na asnatantu, nadyunam is another reading. Adyunam is one reading, asnatam is another reading. When you take adyuna, then it is aprasanna, one who is not happy or one who has not taken a bath. Asnatam tu striyam gachet naturam na rajaswalam na anishtam na prakupitam na aprashastam na cha garbhinim. You should not approach a woman who has not taken a bath, or if she is sick, rajaswala if she is menstruating, anishtam if she is not pleased, if she unwilling wife, prakupitam if she is angry, aprashastam or she is not parivadadi dosha dushitam, she is not she's got a bad reputation, garbhini if she is pregnant. Na adakshinam na anyakamam na akamam na anyayoshitam kshukshamam na atibhuktam va swayam cha ebihi gunaihi yutaha. A person who also has all of these qualities, he should also have all of these qualities. So api this is not only for the stree. Swayam cha ebihi gunaihi yutaha purushaha. A person who also does not have any of these qualities, whichever is applicable, you take it. Right? Garbhini is not applicable to a man, so you take whatever is applicable to a man. All of these qualities should be present in the man also, or the opposite of those should not be present in the man. Adakshina, if she is not anukula, then you don't approach her. Anyakama, anukulam here is one ananukula. She does not wish to, she is not என்ன சொல்றது, அனுகூலமா அவ பண்றதில்ல, appropriate, okay, conducive to what you want. Anyakama, if she is attached to some other person. Akama, she has no desire at all. Anyayoshitam, you don't approach another woman, another's woman. Anyasya yoshit. Kshukshama, one who is very tired because of hunger. Atibhuktam, if she has eaten a lot, then also you don't approach her. Snataha, the person who, the grihastha, takes a bath. Srak gandha dhrik, he wears flowers and gandham, perfume. Pritaha, he should be happy. Na adhmataha, he should not be atibhukta, he should not have bloating. Kshuditaha, he should be hungry. Sakamaha, he should have a desire towards the woman. Sanuragaha, with an attachment towards her also. Kamaha is lust and anuraga is that preeti. Vyavayam purushaha vrajet. Vyavayam is also maithunam. Stri sangamam eva tatra uchyate. Purushaha vrajet. Chaturdashi ashtami chaiva tatha ama cha atha purnima parvani etani rajendra ravi sankrantireva cha taila stri mamsa sambhogi sarveshu eteshu vai puman vinmutra bhojanam nama prayati narakam mritaha. These are the days to be avoided. Chaturdashi, ashtami, amavasya, purnima, parvadinani, parvani etani, and Ravi Sankranti, that is Sankramanam, Masa Parapungrome, so Punyakala, Sankramana Punyakalam. On these are the Sarveshu Eteshu, this is the list, and then he says Sarveshu Eteshu Parvadineshu. In all these days, a person should not enjoy Tailam, oil bath, Stri Sangamam, and Mamsa Bhakshanam. If he does this, then Mritasanna, when he dies, he goes to a narakam called Vinmutra Bhojanam. So he goes to a particular narakam. Ashesha parvasu eteshu tasmat samyamibihi budhaihi bhavyam satchastra deva ijya dhyana japya paraihi naraihi. So tasmat, because of this reason, because he goes to a place where he has to eat filth, right? Unhealthy things or something that you cannot eat at all. So because of that reason, asheshe parvasu, eteshu ashesha parvasu, in all of these parvadinam, any festival day, बुधैहि संयमिभिः भाव्यम. Bhavyam, it's a bhavi prayoga here. A person, wise people have to be controlled, well controlled during parvadinam. Satshastra deva ijya dhyana japya paraihi naraihi bhavyam. Naraihi people should also entertain themselves. Paraihi, they should be involved in reading good shastram, shat shastram. Deva ijya, performing homam to the devas. Dhyana paraha or japya paraha. He should either be doing meditation or doing japam during these festival days. न अन्य योनौ अयोनौ वा न उपयुक्त ओषधः तथा द्विज देव गुरूणां च व्यवायी न आश्रमे भवेत्. A person should not have vyavayi, maithunam, stri sangamam, anya yonau, that is towards another person, or in a one who is not a stri, tatha upayukta oshadha, or someone who is taking medicine, or he should not take in medicine and undergo this. So dvija deva gurunam cha na ashrame, tesham ashrame api evam na kuryat. He should not have any relationship with a woman in the ashrama of a brahmana or a devalayam or gurunam ashramaha. Chaitya chatvara tireshu, तीर्थेषु इत्यपि अस्ति, तीरेषु அப்படினு இருக்கு. So नदी तीरे अपि न भवितव्यम, or तीर्थेषु, तीर्थस्थलम, पुण्यस्थलेषु. Chaityam refers to matham, dharmashala. So dharmashala, chatvara is in the 4 road kudumolyo, that is called a chatvaram, where 4 roads meet, that place is called a chatvara. Goshthe, cowshed, chatushpathe, on any of the 4 principal roads. Shmashane, upavane, salileshu, mahipate, naiva vyavayi bhavet. You connect it with that. You should not have a relationship with a woman either in a smashana, funeral place, a cemetery, or upavanam, in a garden, or salileshu, in waters. प्रोक्त पर्वसु अशेषेषु नैव भूपाल संध्यायोः गच्छेत् व्यवायं मनसा न मूत्रोच्चार पीडितः. So one should not also have difficulties of urination etc. during that time, during Stri Sangamam, nor should he also do it during Sandhya Kala. Sandhya Kalamங்கிறது ருத்ரஸ்ய அந்த பிரதோஷ வேளை. Every day it is a பிரதோஷ சமயः. So Diti asks Kashyapa for Sangamam during that time, and he advises her in Bhagavatam not to have Apada. That's why Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakashipu were born to her. Illa ama Parvasu abhigamaha adhanyaha diva papapradaha nripa bhuvi rogavaha nrinam aprashasto jalashaye he nripa. Parvasu abhigamaha, approaching during this festival time is adhanya, is not fortuitous. It's not correct. So diva papapradaha, during the daytime it gives papam. Rogavaha bhuvi, if you do it on the ground it is unhealthy. Aprashastaha jalashaye, it is not advised in a water pond. Paradaran nagacheta manasa api kathanchana. Paradarana manasa api nagacheta. Even with your mind you should not think about another's wife. Dushyantan solrache Dharatyagi bhavamyaho parastri sparshapamsulaham. Shakuntalatla. When Shakuntala comes and he sees that he has forgotten her original lalla. This is Kalidasa's own creation here. He says, which is better? Which is the better evil of the two? Do I touch her thinking that she may be another person's wife, or she may be my wife? If she is my wife, I will only be left with the papam that I have forsaken my wife for a brief period of time. But if I touch her and she happens to be another person's wife, then I would become a papi. Parastri pamsulaha. He's in a dilemma at that point of time. அதனால பரதாரான் நகச்சேத மனசாபி கதஞ்சன கிமு வாச்சா அஸ்திபந்தः अपि नास्ति तेषां व्यवायिनां किमु वाचा. So what to say with words, that is, if he talks to that person in that attitude that he wants to have a relationship with her, then what to say of that person? He should not even think about it first of all, then only so what to say about taking an action with respect to that. So the result of it, what sort of a janma is he going to take? तेषु नरेषु तेषु व्यवायिनाम् अस्तिबन्धः अपि नास्ति परदारेषु इति. Paradareshu vyavayinam. So if he actually gets into action and has a relationship with another's wife, then the next janma is a janma where he will not even have a skeleton. So asti bandhaha api nasti. So kitadi janma bhavet tasya iti. Asti bandhopi na bhavet. Krimi kitadi yonishu parivartante. Mritaha narakam abhyeti. He goes to narakam when he dies. Hiyate atrapi cha ayushaha. His life is also not very great. He in this janma, as he lives, he will also lose his life and his health. Paradara ratihi pumsam ihacha amutracha bhitida. It is a very scary situation if a person wishes for another person's wife in this world and in Paralokam. In this world he loses his life, in another world he goes to Narakam. Iti matva swadareshu rutumatsu budho vrajet yathokta dosha hineshu sakameshu anrutau api. Iti matva, thinking about all of these rules, buddhaha, a wise person, has to approach one's wife swadareshu rutumatsu during the appropriate time. Yathokta dosha hineshu, this is an adjective to the wife who is not with any of these doshas in her. Sakameshu, who also desire you, tadrisham anritau api, even if it is not during the rutukalam, also it is fine, but these doshas should not be present and she should also be pleasing to you. Right? So iti Shri Vishnu Purane Tritiyamshe Ekadashodhyayah. With this we complete the 11th chapter. The 12th chapter starts with the further, even more acharas are said for a grihastha in the 12th chapter. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vacham tato jayamudirayet.